This is the Carnegie Science Center in Pittsburgh. Over here we're riding Westinghouse RT. I guess I'll see up here. Westinghouse. That I'll see up here. It's a Schindler from 1991. I'll be right back, Dad. I'll be right back, Mom. Let's go to G. Here are G. Let's go up to 2. Door close button does not work. Here we go. Here we are. 1. There we go. Just your basic older Westinghouse elevator. RT fixtures. Phone door, you need to press it open and I'll activate the phone. Control panel, 2,500 pound capacity. Fire service. I think it's going down. This is stupid. There goes and that's it.